I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: PAN, a linked bank account, and a working UPI or net banking setup so payments clear instantly. Once done, open the Groww app and sign in. Make sure the app is updated to avoid missing features. Tap the search bar and type the index name you decided, Nifty 50, Sensex, or a total market index, to pull up matching ETFs or index mutual funds. This is your first actionable move toward buying. You now compare fund details. Check expense ratio, AUM, and tracking error so you understand cost and fidelity to the index. Once you pick the fund, choose SIP for recurring discipline or lump sum for one-time entry. Enter the amount and frequency for a SIP or the total for lump sum. Tap Buy or Invest, confirm the order type and bank mandate, and authorize payment. Make sure to read the fund facts before final confirmation to avoid surprises. You finish by confirming the transaction status and saving the folio or transaction ID. This proves your purchase. Once invested, monitor NAV trends and SIP dates and rebalance at least once a year to stay aligned with goals. If the payment or mandate fails, first verify your bank mandate and UPI ID, then retry after 15 to 30 minutes. If it still fails, contact Groww support and your bank with the transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.